Today we talk about how can you redeem gifts cards on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click in this sign, it's going to take you to next CPR. Then all you have to do, just click here on your name. So then it's going to take you to next CPR. Then all you have to do now, so when you just, it's going to show for you here, you click here on add a payment method, then it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on gift card, then here you add card number and here pin code, then you click here on preview, then it's going to add video on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.